songs of two cities. And about 5 years ago, Dublin was twinned with Liverpool, and I wrote a couple of songs on that team, you know. Though there's a small minority in Liverpool who thought we should have twinned with Belfast, like. There you go. This is a song I put together about the two cities for the twinning, and it's a bit of a chorus like going fiddle the idol things like, you know. I think that's in case you forget some of the words you did the idol did so you can probably join it. And it's set to an old musical called I think it's there. I will sing you a song of two cities, each side of our own Irish sea. There's the one on the banks of the Mersey, and the other by Liffey. One is the dear town of Dublin, with its songs and stories of old, and the Liverpool town that's renowned the world round for the tales of her seafarers bold. Toodle-lie, it's Liverpool and Dublin for me. It's the gear, it's Cade Neal a Falcher, hands over the old Irish Sea, hands over the old Irish Sea. There's a street there named after O'Connell, renowned the world of far and wide, and Lime Street that's famed for those wonderful dames, and the sailors they took for a ride. Stroll on the quay by the Liffey, take the air along Dollymount Strand, then come along Whack for the gargle and crack in the finest old pubs in the land. Toodle-lie, it's Liverpool and Dublin for me. It's the gear that's Cade Neal a Falcher, hands over the old Irish Sea, hands over the old Irish Sea. Cross the Halfpenny Bridge over the river, and a wander along Grafton Street. See the buskers and bards with their songs and guitars in the street where all Dublin does meet. In Matthew Street down in the Cavern, the old club where the Beatles did play, fans visit that site every morning and night. They come back for some more the next day. Toodle-lie, it's Liverpool and Dublin for me. It's the gear that's Cade Neal a Falcher, hands over the old Irish Sea, hands over the old Irish Sea. You could see all the best games of football used to be able to. At Anfield or Goodison Park, no matter if you cheer the Reds or the Blues, all the fans they will sing like the lark. So here's to our famous twin cities, to the Scousers and the Jackies so bold. Long may they flourish and prosper, their hearts they're the purest of gold. Toodle-lie, it's Liverpool and Dublin for me. It's the gear, it's Cade Neal a Falcher, hands over the old